SOP for the end of day cleaning up. Step 1. Clean milk frother. You need 2 pitchers with hot water. Put both frothers into the pitchers. Blow slightly but do not overdo it. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Use espresso soap for better result. Step 2. Clean group head. Open portafilter basket like this. Replace with blank filter or blank basket. Put 1 or 2 teaspoons espresso soap. Press the first and the 5th button for auto cleaning. Both of these buttons will blink. Your frother should be clean by now. Remove the pitcher, blow, wipe. If you use soap to clean your frother, remember to rinse and clean off the soap. Wipe dry. This applies for your group head as well. Step 3. Clean tray. Off your machine. Put away the frother. Lift up, pull. Let's see that again. Off your machine. Put away the frother. Lift up, pull. Bezzera woody uses magnets to hold the tray. Remove grease trays. You can take all of these parts out to clean. Ensure you dry the bottom of the tray before placing it back. Do this at the end of every day for your cafe operations.
Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and peace is quiet.
Sekarang recording.